Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Chuck, coming back again for another analysis on gold and Great Britain USD. Thank you guys for joining today. Without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. As you can see right now, I have gold up from last week. Just want to give you guys my analysis, what I have. It played out very well last week overall. As you can see here, I mentioned we had two sell areas right here in the black. And then we had the next sell area right here in the red. We got initial sell that we took here, made a few pips on that one. Then you started getting a retracement. Overall, I mentioned to you guys, as you know, my play is always what's in the red. I give you the scenarios right here in the black arrows that you get here. But overall, what I have in the red is my play that I will be looking to play. So if you're new to the channel, that's just a quick update so you'll know what I'm looking for. But yes, so we immediately got that pulled back to my area, and I had been waiting on that zone, and it definitely touched and rejected. And we came all the way down to the first take profit. If you follow my videos, you would know that I mentioned in my videos that this red block is pretty much a stop loss. So I told everybody to take your profits right above that and do not enter this sale continuing unless this zone is broken and closed below that. So if you took my trade, you should have known that you should have took your profits and immediately got out. And then once you got the close, which is closed right here, you should have took the buy. And as you can see, this is crazy. I did not expect it to go that high, which is a great setup for next upcoming week, I believe. Because honestly, I still feel that this will hold. This is the overall stop loss at 1685. If we can get a candle opening, maybe looking something like this here. If we can get the candle to open and just reject and come all the way down, because this is my ultimate take profit for gold around here at 1580 area, 1585. So, all right. So let's get this cleaned up and then go ahead and get our analysis for next week. Okay, these stop losses still apply. All right, so we're gonna get up and put our highs and lows up real quick and see what our zones are for next week. All right, I'm liking this. As you can see, we have a stop right there. So this stop loss is still good. We don't have to make any adjustments there. So next upcoming week, we are definitely looking for sales. May get a little push up in just a little bit, maybe 1683, 84. But overall, we are looking for this not to close above this red box. If it does, we're going to look for buys, okay? So overall, we're looking for sales right now. We're biased on that. If we can get a strong buy in the dollar, that would be great. All right, so the zones I'm looking for now will be here. First take profit at 1632 area. If we can come down, we also got a little MA that we can possibly hit on a daily in this area. Well, that's the 1 hour, I'm sorry. So disregard that. We'll go back and look here. So right now, 1632, the previous zone right below that, 1616 area. And then ultimately, we want to keep this down here. So at 1580. All right, so we're going to go ahead and clear this off. Now that we have our zones marked off, let's hop back on a daily. All right. So as I mentioned before, this is self-explanatory. We're looking at play below this zone. Could get a quick spike that may possibly hit that and pull back. So if you want to bring it up just a little bit higher, we can. Let's just go make this an even 1690 stop loss to keep it risk free. All right. So this is zone we're playing in now. That's going to be at 1690 stop loss. All right. So this is what I would like to see gold do. Quick scenario. We can get a push up. Not much because it's still in that zone here. Based off our highs and lows. We don't want too much of a push. And then from there, I want to see this come down. And then this is scenario. Second scenario will be for this to break this area. All right. And then obviously, this pretty much is the same plan I have. I'm gonna put it in red anyways, just so you have it. Very, very slight push up. Pretty much the same thing. And then I want to see gold come down to maybe about this area here. We've got a lot of noise around 1655, 1654 area. Could see a pullback. And then I want to see this come back to the zone. And we'll not be looking for, and then from there, I'll be looking to trade this after the break. All right. Let's clean this up a little bit. That didn't come out good at all. All right, so we're going to extend this out here. So that take profit is going to be in this area somewhere. I'm just going to go with 1620. But somewhere in this area, we can look for a take profit. All right, that's pretty much it from gold. Nothing big. As you can see, the move we had, this is just a crazy candle. I would just love to see it just crash more. Maybe a setup like this. Couple days coming down Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday area, going up into the next week after that. So, but it'd be great. We just get a candle to mirror this and just come all the way back down. That would be great. Also, don't really like the way that just took off without making a wick. Also, so I would definitely need that next candle to come and create a fill. Just because we didn't get a wick, and just some things I noticed that most likely would happen. So that kind of confirms that my sell is valid. It just, the point is when it's a sale is going to happen. It's the biggest question. All right, guys. I think we spent enough time on gold. Let's just get a quick risk reward here. See what we come up with. Not bad at all. Risk reward wise, even coming down a little lower. Not bad. Great risk reward. Definitely want to go after this one, y'all. All right, good luck on that. Make sure you get a screenshot on goals. Let's jump on Great Britain USD really quick. All right, Great Britain USD. Same thing. We was looking for this to either break and sell or to reject here and go back up. We did get a little play, come down. We got a little push up, not much, but then we got the break and great profits all the way down. Didn't quite make it to that take profit too, but was very close. And same thing with gold. We got a massive rejection today, so I'm still biased on Great Britain USD selling. And let's go ahead and get this cleaned up. Let's see what the 1 hour highs and lows are telling us. And it's pretty much the same thing. We definitely we have to hold here. So it's going to bring this down a little bit in order for this to play out. If not, we're going to get a rejection back up to this line here. And then the next take profit will be down here. We're looking for that. 1145. I still would like to see, I need to see 11. $1,000 hit. I've been waiting on that for a while, so I need that to hit. And that's what I'm gonna just go with for right now. Could go down a little lower, but we're just gonna work with that for next week. Anything else will just be extra gains if it breaks and keep going. All right, so let's close this out here. Hop back on the daily. All right, so this is our stop zone. So the scenarios I'm looking for here is almost identical to gold. Could get a slight push up, and then I want to see this reject back down in this area. I'm just go with here. The other scenario would be if this breaks, we're going to come up here and then look for rejections at this zone. Okay, and then again, if this breaks, that's the next stop loss zone based off that wick. So this should definitely hold. Strong sell setup. If this break, it's definitely going to keep going up. So be on the lookout for that also. Okay. Let me see. This could definitely happen. Definitely happen. So if we get a break here, definitely keep your eye out for this here. But what I would be looking for is, honestly, I just need this to, I want to feel like this is just going to open up and just sell. Just my honest opinion. So this is what I would be playing in the red also. I see a little bit of a risk reward based off this. Will be very tight. And we can bring it up slightly because we do have a wick there. So All right, so let's go with that. Okay, so not bad also, but this is my play in the red. But look for these scenarios. This could be another scenario too. So we get a break here. Don't get too caught up in the sale. Just let it play out. And then we get to this zone, look for sales again. Okay. That's what I have for Great Britain USD. And I just noticed I put the wrong information there. I put the long. I meant to put short. And I apologize for that. All right. So that's a short position. All right. So let's see what the dollar's looking like. This is crazy here. This candle is out of control. Ultimately, this was my buy zone. I honestly think that the dollar is just being manipulated right now. So we already came here. I don't want to see it come there again. So based off of this, stop there, stop here. I really don't need that there. So stop here. We honestly get a little any type of play here, but I would like to see this reject back up to the zone. If not, it's gonna come down for a second double bottom, and then we possibly can get a rejection. And then of course, if this decides to break here, we're gonna keep pushing down. So overall, this is what I'm looking for on the dollar. I will be playing personally the push up when the market opens. Just my opinion. All right, guys. I think we spent enough time on the charts today, but this is what I have for my analysts, and I thank you guys for joining again. If you have any questions, please feel free to jump out and reach out to me and in the comments or whatever. If you're looking for different pairs to look at, reach out and I can put those other pairs up. Right now, we're just going to focus on gold and Great Britain USD at this time. If you need to join my channel, make sure you subscribe. If you haven't already, make sure you like this video, and I will continue putting out the best content, trying to make everybody successful as possible. And that's all I have. I would like to say happy Veterans Day this week to everyone. And I pray for your blessings in the trades and that you do very well this week. And thank you again for joining. Chuck is out, aka the Gold Gorilla.
All I do is win, win.